What's in the box? Yeah. What's in the box? You're gonna see that. Ooh. Ah. Patrick Galarza. Take a look at that. On Warhammer. See what that is. I've had this on pre-order for 3 months. Got notification Monday that it was shipped. Wasn't supposed to be here till the end of April. Here we are on March 30th, 2017. And instructions. Yeah, whatever. Oh, look at that. It came with candy. Oh, there you go. Axe 2.0. Two-piece barrel that I'll never use, because I'm going to go right to a freak setup with apex tip. Give me a second to thread this together. Sorry, I have the GoPro plugged in right now because the battery is just about dead. But, whee! Axe 2.0. I don't have batteries in it yet, or air. When I have a die rotor that'll be going on top of that, that will be a red. It's like a, I guess they call it red fabric. I don't know, Patrick. Can't wait. Bet you can't wait to see it. Get your hands on something like that. Axe 2.0. Yeah, buddy.